So this arrived today from Matthew at Flamethrower Guy. I'll do a link to his YouTube channel in the description below. But he's been making these 3D printed scale model Air Raid Sirens. This one here today is 10-12 port. It's got a 240 volt motor running at about 2,800 RPM, so correct speed, so should be pretty much bang on to the sound of the larger siren, just in a scaled down version. He's got some other bits he's doing on his channel. He's also making a Gents ARP model. He'll be doing coded shutters for these sirens to make it into a CS8 style, and working on some larger ones, so well worth checking his channel out. For today we've hooked it up to the Cold War siren switch panel number 3. We're going to run it through the Venner autowailer. We'll do the alert red signal and the Raiders past white signal. Let's see how it goes.